A cataract refers to the clouding of the normally clear lens of the eye. For those with cataracts, looking through cloudy lenses is akin to peering through a frosty window, making it difficult to drive at night or read. Cataracts typically develop slowly and may not noticeably affect your vision initially. However, they can impair eyesight over time. In the early stages, stronger eyeglasses and brighter lighting can help, but cataract surgery becomes necessary when vision loss interferes with daily activities. Signs and symptoms of cataracts. 1. Sensitivity to glare and light. 2. Fading or yellowing of colors. 3. Need for brighter lighting when reading. 4. Blurred, clouded, or dim vision. 5. Double vision in one eye. 6. Difficulty seeing at night. 7. Seeing halos around lights. 8. Frequent changes in eyeglass or contact lens prescriptions. Cataracts commonly result from aging or damage to the tissue that makes up the eye's lens. Certain medical conditions and genetic disorders can also increase the risk of developing cataracts. Previous eye surgeries, eye conditions, and diseases like diabetes are additional common causes. Long-term use of steroid medications can also contribute to cataract formation. Studies have shown that individuals with lower antioxidant levels are at a higher risk of developing cataracts. Therefore, maintaining high levels of glutathione and consuming antioxidant-rich foods can delay the onset of cataracts and reduce the need for surgery. Can you eliminate cataracts without surgery? While surgery is the most effective treatment for advanced cataracts, there are natural remedies that may help in the early stages. One simple ingredient that has been found to be beneficial is castor oil. This oil is rich in antioxidants and can help with various eye issues, including age-related macular degeneration, dry eyes, nearsightedness, farsightedness, and conjunctivitis. Since eye issues are often a result of glycation, applying or ingesting antioxidants can be beneficial. Natural healers have long known the benefits of castor oil for eye health. How to use castor oil as an eye drop. 1. Apply a drop of pure castor oil into each eye using an eyedropper before going to bed, as your vision may be blurred after application. 2. Close your eyes overnight to allow the oil to work. In the morning, you may find crusts at the corners of your eyes. This is the calcification breaking down and can be washed off easily. Many people who have tried this remedy report significant improvement in their vision by the next morning, with continued enhancement over time. However, discontinue use if you do not notice any improvement after several treatments. Although castor oil is generally safe for the eyes, it may not be effective for everyone.